Hey guys, it is 6:48 in the morning over the weekend, and I need to be up this early so I can go to the laundromat. My washer broke, so when you wash stuff in it, it floods, so I can't really use it. But I need to wash all my clothes before the move, so I'm doing half today, half tomorrow. Honestly, I couldn't even find them all, but that's fine. I'm trying to donate as much stuff as I can. I was gonna sell like stuff like shoes and like higher end clothes, but honestly I don't have time, and I don't know if I want to go through that much hassle, so I don't know. But I have to go to the laundromat. They open at, I don't know, but I think they open in not too long, maybe like 8, maybe sooner. I don't know, I have to check, but I just knew I wanted to get up now so I can be ready, because the first half is kind of brutal. So I'm trying to get the first half done, and then I can do the second half like later on before I go, because I'm not about to do all of it by myself, because it's too much. Alright guys, so I'm about to load my car, head out. I just wanted to put a little update. I'm tired, and maybe I'll catch up with you guys in the car, but I don't know, because I don't know if I feel like blurring out everything around me. It's a long process. It's not hard, but it's just long. And I have a lot of stuff to do today, because I have a very busy week coming up, and I really can't be hemming and hawing. Hemming and hawing. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack up my car and then head out. If I do catch up with you guys, it'll be on my phone, because I'm not bringing my camera when I'm by myself. And no, it's still dark as a, like, you got me messed up. Okay, so this is where I'm at right now. All of these clothes are ones that I'm either wearing to work for the remainder of the week, and then driving clothes for the trip. These are just a pile of underwear and socks. I just put them all right there. This needs to actually hold up. This is my mom's stuff, or my dad's stuff. I was just putting it right there because I was sitting there. Okay, so far that's all my mom's, and there's like 2 things of my dad's in there, but most of that's my mom's stuff. That's mine, but it's staying here. These are the rest of the clothes I need to wash. These are all sleepers. Those are clothes that I'm bringing, but I don't need like right away. These are all the clothes I'm bringing so far, but I will like not need right away, but just need generally, because, you know, I'm moving there. So these are like my more, I'm gonna wear these more clothes. Those are my more, I don't need them like right when I get there. I don't need to unpack them right away clothes. These are clothes that are still a little bit wet. And then I have a whole nother bag to do, but I wanted to try and pack up some of these first. So I brought down some of these bags. So let me put you down. Okay. So I don't really know how I'm gonna do this, honestly. I have a bag that's already kind of has stuff in it. Oh, you can't even see my mother. Alright, so I have a bag that already kind of has stuff in it. I'm thinking I'm gonna put my I don't need right away clothes and my sleepers in here. Well, actually that wouldn't make a lot of sense, would it? Because my sleepers kind of need to go in the bag that I'll put my I don't need right away clothes in here, because the clothes that are in here I don't need right away. And then these you just hook your vacuum to, and you can suck all the air out of them. I should probably like roll these, no?
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same.
Just as I thought. Trash. Why am I so zoomed in? Anyways, so this is what I have left of all the clothes that were, well, not all the clothes, but you know, the ones, you know what I'm talking about. This is all that I have left. Bags are gone. They're gone. Excuse me. So what I'm gonna do is I have 2 suitcases over here, and I'm going to. If y'all saw that fence, it's because she'll come over here and start stepping on stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna grab the biggest one and start packing my clothes in there. Because I don't think my clothes are gonna fit in the smaller one. So I'm gonna go through this bag, put them back in those same sections, and then I'm going to put them in that suitcase just so they're kind of packed away. And then I'm gonna hang up the wet clothes in my closet until those are dry, obviously. And then, you know, and I also have all of these jackets. So, and that one's still wet. I actually washed that one today. So I might just put those for packing stuff, like set them in between layers of stuff, so it's not, you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. So yeah, these are all the bags that I packed for that type of thing. Again, these are the ones I'm leaving out, and then I have to sort through my socks and make pairs and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then I need to eat, and then honestly I probably need to sleep because I have a headache. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and then eat, and then I'll probably come back before I take a nap, sign out. Why did I do that?
Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Trying to control our emotions. If we on a right. Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day, and when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turn to morning dew, then you the key to the lock, we in our own zone. Make yourself at home, get to know mine on the inside. Can meet at yours next time. And you feel it freshening, lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my place now. Places like I do.